All right, guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today I got something a little bit different for you. I'm not on the road today, so I figured I'd make a little video and show you what the perfect little drone is for a truck driver. Is the Mavic Mini, which is a fairly new drone. I just got this not too long ago. It's a nice, small, compact size. The case is real small, easy to carry around in the truck. So we'll do a little unboxing here, and then we'll have some footage of what the drone can do. Okay, so everything you need is right in this case here. I keep my, I have a little iPad mini that I use to see what the drone's doing. This is your battery bank, and this has actually all three batteries in here. So all three batteries are inside here. And you can just plug this in, USB. That shows you the state of the batteries. These lights here, so the center battery I used, and so I'm using them in order. And what's great about these batteries, they're lithium ion batteries, and you can leave them fully charged, where Lipo batteries you don't want to leave fully charged. So like the say the Mavic 2 Zoom or the Mavic 2 Pro, you kind of got to plan more when you're going to fly, because you don't want to leave those batteries at full charge all the time. And they won't stay at full charge anyway. They're smart batteries. They will discharge themselves if you don't use them. Okay, this is the controller. Antennas, and I already have the wire onto it that I use to hook up to the iPad mini. So all you do is I open up these arms, and there's little control sticks that screw right on here, like so. And then I take the iPad mini, and it just slides right in here like this. And then I hook the wire up. So yeah, that's the setup. So when I fly, I'm holding it like this, and I got my picture right here of everything and my information. These are the chargers. It comes with two charging wires. Only one power brick though, and a bunch of extra propellers. And then you got all three types of wires you would need to hook it up to any device. This wire here that's on my iPad mini is not the one that came with it. I happen to have a longer one like that. But this will be an iPhone connection and an Android connection, and then there's I think the other one is a micro USB or something. Not quite sure, because I don't use that type. I have all Apple. I have an Apple phone and stuff. So okay, so here is the Mavic Mini itself. Just unfold it. These legs here come out and around, and that's the whole drone. That's the whole thing right there. So, not very big. You see my gimbal cover came off. But it's with the battery in it, it's 249 grams. And what that means is it's light enough that you do not have to have a registration number with the FAA. So you can fly this without being registered with the FAA. You still have to follow all the rules though. You can't fly it wherever you want. Some people think that's the case, that you can fly it wherever you want. But yeah, you still have to follow all the FAA rules. You can't fly you can't fly above 400 feet. You can't fly over crowds and stadiums. You can't fly near airports. Anywhere there's a restricted airspace, you're not allowed to fly it. So you still have to follow all the rules. So that's the Mavic Mini. And we'll just fold it right back up. Everything goes right back in the case. I think the hardest part of using this is putting this gimbal cover back on. So there's a gimbal cover. This protects the gimbal, the camera gimbal, from getting broke. Keeps it stable. It's always a pain. I can never get this on right. Well, first of all, you got to put it on the right way. Always have trouble putting this gimbal cover on. All right, got it. All right, that just sits right in your case here. Everything goes back in here. You got to get everything down in there so that you can get this on top. We take our iPad Mini back off of here. You take out your control sticks, and there's a convenient little place right here where they snap in so you don't lose them. And if you happen to have a Mavic 2 or a Mavic with the little sticks like this, you can, these are plastic. The ones on the Mavic and Mavic 2 are metal. You could just, they fit on here too. You could use them if you want. Just close that up. Put the antennas down. And I leave the wire on it. There's a little niche here so you can leave the wire on it so it doesn't hit. This way everything's right there. I put in my, I got a couple little pieces of the soft side of Velcro on here that sits on stuff so that nothing gets rubbed. And right there, everything fits right in that box. Yeah, so this is a really nice drone for a truck driver, I would say, because it doesn't take up any room and you can leave the batteries fully charged and not worry about degrading the batteries. Yeah, so I'll put a little bit of the footage I got from around home on the end here. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping into the Trucker John Show. Take care now.